So good day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are actually going to learn how to design this banner using our smartphone, which is PixelLab app. So this is a 4 by 3 banner size. I actually converted this size. I just asked ChatGPT to actually convert this size from feet to pixel size. So this is what I asked ChatGPT to do. Let me just get to my ChatGPT. Let me look down for the history. So this is what I asked ChatGPT to pixel size of 4 feet by 3 feet. So this is what ChatGPT says. So I actually picked this. So we are actually dealing with 3 by 4 feet. So I actually picked it and then use this 600 ppi. That's very high quality print. So this is just how to get your feet converted into it. No need of you doing all these calculations of it. So now let's actually achieve this by designing it. So let me go to my my Pixel app, and then so I will pick the size. So we are dealing with 21,600 by 28,800, right? So here is a size. So what I actually do is I go to my gallery and then import the materials that I use. So let me import his image here. I already removed the background using photo room. So I just increase the size to almost hundreds or 100. So here is what I do. So what I did is I create a shape here, and then for this shape I use this color. This is a gradient color. So for those of you who doesn't know how to use gradients, I will leave a link on the description menu so that you can actually learn it. It will direct you to one of my video that I did on gradient. So here is it. So I go to my marks, and then I adjust the marks here. Sorry, and then this one to here. Yep, this is just how I did it. Yeah, press this and then this. So let me see. Yep. So I'm just trying to amend it. Sorry. Yeah, just trying to amend it in a way that it will look very good. Yeah, let me use this. So I will go and make it out. Yep. So here is it. So I increase the size. Increase this one too. So like here. And then I go to my stroke and then stroke it with this color. So I will increase the stroke to this. Yeah. So here is what I did. So let me go to my gallery and then import the background. So I actually use this background. Yeah. So this is the background that I used. So I will expand it. Yeah, I will leave everything on the description menu. I will leave the link to download it on the description menu so that you can actually download it and use it for your own practical. So let me let it to the back. Yeah. So I'll go to color filter, and then I will decrease the saturation to like 20. Yeah, let's say 20. Yeah, let's say 20. Don't want it to be that bold. So for the image of the guy, I will just adjust the saturation a little bit. Let me just adjust it a little bit. I want it to be, yeah, let me just leave it like this. Yep, so this is perfect. So I will go to gallery again and then pick the other image of his other image. So this is it. Let me just kind of crop it. Let me crop it to a good size. Yeah, this is good. So I'll just decrease the size and then make it to be here. Yes, this is good. So I'll go to my stroke and then stroke it with this. Yep, let me make it to be 12. Yes, this is perfect. So what I will do is I will go to text and then write the name of the guy here, which is Elisha. and then fix it to what here. Sorry, I'll fix it here. I'll go to my font, and then I will use a good font for this. Let me see, which font should I use? Which font should I use? Let me see. Let me just use this font. I think it's perfect for this. Let me just use it. Elisha. And then I will copy it again because I'm using the same font. So I will see this one to be Ayuba. The name of his surname or his name, I don't know. So I will just decrease the size. Then fix it to what here. Yeah. So what I will do now is, sorry, let me just increase this. Yeah. So for this, I will change the color. Sorry. Yes, I will change the color to be this. And I will just kind of lift it a little bit. Yeah. So I will go to my text and then write the date, which is 11th of May and comma 2025. So I will go to my font and then choose Newton regular for this. It's Newton regular, yeah. So I will go to spacing and then space it up a little bit. Yeah, this is perfect for this. So what I will do now is I will go to text again and then write congratulations. I will just fix it here. Fix it here and then go to color and then I will choose this color. Then I will go to my fonts. Then I will choose this font. Let me make it bold. Yeah. So here we go. So now I will go to my gallery, sorry, my text and then write on here. And for this, I will just fix it here. I will go to my font and then choose Newton regular. And then I will go to background. And I will choose the color of the background to be white, red. And increase this left heading to 6 or 7. Let's say 7. This one to 7. Then I will decrease the size. So I'll go with this. So now what will happen is I will go to text and then write graduation. Yeah, and then I will just kind of put it to this axis, and then for the color of the graduation I will pick black, and then I will go to my font, then choose a sexy font, which is this, and I will increase the size. Increase the size. Yep, this is good. This is good. So I will come here and then I'll copy it again and then write ceremony. Let me make it uppercase letter. So for this, I'm going with fonts that I use, which is this. Sorry. I already used this font, so I will just increase the size. And then for the let me see for the background. I think I'm supposed to use black. Let me use just black. Okay. Let me not use black. Let me just use this. Yep. although I can make it a little bit darker. So let me just do like this, and swap this to this end, and let's see. Yeah, that's good. That's good. So I'll copy this on here and then write from. Yep. So I will just kind of go to text again and then write the name of the school, which is Silver Gate College of Health Science and Technology, Australia. So here we go. I will turn this to black, and then I will go to font and then choose neutral regular. Yes. So what will happen now is let me just make them uppercase, cap locked, and then I will just decrease the size, increase the size, decrease the size, decrease the size. Sorry, increase the size. Yep. So I will go to here and then make them bold, and then for the alignment I will choose this alignment. Yeah, I will just fix it here. So this is it. I'll return this here, and then I will go to my gallery and then import a graduation icon. Should I say icon? Yeah, something like that. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Graduation, graduation, graduation. Yep, something like this. Yep. So I'll just fix it here. Just fix it here. So here we go. Our design is actually accurate. So let me just go to gallery and then import something such that we will just decrease the opacity of it so that the place will look like, let me see, something like this, a medical stuff, since the guy is a medical guy. So let me just decrease the size and fix it here. And I will decrease the opacity. Yep. And then I will copy it again and then fix one here to this axis. So what I will do now is I will make it to the back, this one too to the back. So I will go to the layer and then drag the background to the back of the thing. So here is it. So here we go with this. This is just how to, make your banner design using your smartphone. So let me save my work and then do a kind of little bit enhancement of quality. So it's actually saving. I just give it a time. So here we go. So I will go to Snapseed and I will tap the plus icon and then it will direct me to my gallery. I will import the thing. So I'll go to my tools and then go to tone image and then I will just click this automatically and then drag this to contrast and then turn this automatically also. Do same for this, do same for this, do same for this, and then do same for this. So here's it, because I don't want to increase saturation of the thing such that maybe when they come to printing it will be very hard for the color to appear. So I will increase the structure SA to 10 and then the sharpening to SA10 also. So here is it. I will go to color balance and then increase the temperature a little bit and then the tint also to this. Okay, let's see to 2 3. Yep. So here is it. I'll just export my image here. So here is just how to make your banner design and then a printable banner design using your PixelLab on your phone. Thank you very much for your time. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can go along, and then subscribing to my YouTube channel will give me like courage to continue with what I'm doing. Thank you very much for your time, and then I will actually drop the print out version of this this thing that we just did on the comments menu so that you can actually see the appearance. Thank you very much for your time. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you.